name is Vikhyata Gautam. I study in class 10th in Kamal Senior Secondary School. That is in Port Blair. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. My model's name is Solar Cooler, and it is based on Peltier effect. This is the blueprint of this model. As you can see, it consists of two exhaust fans, a cold radiator, a heat radiator, a cooling plate and a heating plate. This exhaust fan collects neutral or normal air from its environment, which passes through this cold radiator and comes out as cold air. Similarly, this exhaust fan collects neutral air from its environment, which passes through this heat radiator and comes out as hot air from the outlet which is provided at the back of the model. This cooling plate cools this cold radiator, and this heating plate cools heats up this hot radiator. Now the question is how this cooling plate and this heating plate gets cooled and hot respectively. The answer to it is Peltier effect. In Peltier effect, there are two kinds of semiconductors, one N-type and other P-type. They are used because they need to have different electron densities. Thermally, they are connected parallel to each other. Electrically, they are connected in series. They are also connected with a thermally conducting plate. Now, when voltage is applied to the free ends of the two semiconductors, there is a flow of direct current or DC through the junction of these semiconductors, causing a temperature difference. The side with the cooling plate absorbs heat, which then gets transferred at the other end of the device where there is a heat sink. These are also called thermoelectric couples. They are placed side by side and they are sandwiched between two ceramic plates. So the cooling ability of the total unit is proportional to the number of TECs in it. And it has got many advantages, like it does not use CFCs, it uses renewable source of energy, that is solar energy. It does not have many moving parts, so maintenance is less frequently required. Temperature control within fractions of a degree can be achieved. So temperature control within fractions of a degree can be achieved, so there is no power wastage. And if some industry wants to sponsor it, it can steady its lifespan and efficiency. So, thank you. In this way it works. We can feel the hot air coming from the front side.